Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix SuccessFactors login issues, company ID errors step by step clearly. If you are experiencing login issues with SuccessFactors due to a company ID error, follow these steps to troubleshoot the problem. First, ensure that you are entering the correct URL for your SuccessFactors login. Check your company-specific login page, as each company may have a unique URL. If you're unsure about the URL, reach out to your HR department for assistance. Next, confirm that you are using the correct company ID. It is usually provided by your organization during the onboarding process. Make sure that there are no typos in the company ID when you enter it. If you are still facing issues, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes, stored data can cause conflicts when logging in. After clearing the cache, close and reopen your browser. Then, try logging in again using the correct URL and company ID. If the login issue persists, attempt to use a different web browser or an incognito/private browsing window. This can help determine if the problem is linked to your current browser settings. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. If your connection is weak, try restarting your router or connecting to a different network. Another important step is to ensure that your login credentials are correct. Double-check your username and password for any errors. If you've forgotten your password, utilize the Forgot Password option on the login page. Follow the instructions provided to reset your password. If you continue to experience login issues, review your account with your HR department or system administrator. They may have access to additional tools or insights to assist with your login problem. In some cases, your account could be locked or inactive due to security protocols. Confirm with your HR department if any account restrictions are in place. If necessary, they can unlock or reactivate your account. Finally, if all else fails, consider reaching out to SuccessFactors customer support for further assistance. They can provide specialized help tailored to your specific situation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.